Hello guys, good day and welcome to another monthly catch up, section 12. So this week we have tons of work we'll be doing at the workshop. Like we've shown you what we did last week, but this month we've shown you what we did last month, but this month we've already started work already, way long. But I just remember that I have not started this monthly catch up. So instead of me sending all this item without showing you anything, I'll just try a little bit to show you more of it. So let me turn the camera right now and show you what we have been up to so far. Actually, I went market shopping. I bought a lot of things. We spent a lot of money because things are getting expensive. So we restock some items which I might not show you right now, but I will look for time to show you, and you shall see new stuff here, so you know from there that we restock a lot, both on accessories and fabrics, interface and other material we use at the workshop. We just decide to leave few that we need to get just in few weeks again. So guys, enough talking, enough for you seeing my face. Let me turn the camera now to show you what we are doing. Probably you will see some time lapse. I might not show some time lapse as well because things are very busy here, and as you know, presently I'm the only one at the workshop and I have a lot of tons of work to do with. So enough talking, enough seeing my face. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. We are not begging you to subscribe, it's just for you to get the opportunity when we upload new videos, so you'll be among the first people to get notified. But if you are not subscribed to the channel, you won't even know that we upload a new video to the channel, and you might, even if we want to do some bonus or some stuff, you might not be among people who choose, because we know those who are our subscriber and those who always come back to watch our video, and those who have been with us since day one, and those who always come to watch our video and go, we still know them. Really appreciate every one of you. So for those of you who have shared our video with a lot of people, we really appreciate you. Those who have liked our video, we really appreciate you. Those who comment and give encouraging word, we appreciate you. And those who have question, which we are able to help, we appreciate you. Those who we are unable to help as well, sorry, sometimes. And those of you who from this YouTube have come to our channel to learn with us based on online training, we really appreciate you guys. And those of you who are still thinking to learn, or you still have that doubt that, oh, is this people genuine, or can I learn from them, or can they teach me what I really want to do? We do a lot of things that we didn't even get to show on this monthly or weekly catch up we used to do before. So that's why I try my best. I try as much as possible to show you few of the things, but we did a lot that even some we don't have to show on the channel based on clients we work for, which are private. So if you want to learn, link will be in the description for my WhatsApp to chat with me or to chat with my representative if I'm not there. We have two WhatsApp there. One is personal for me and the other one representative. And sometimes I don't have my phone representative, we chat with you. And we also have the link to the store where you can also apply for the training. We have three categories: the beginning, the intermediate, and the professional. And we have other small courses that are there. If you check the prices and the fee there, they are different, so as the training are also different. So I've used 3 minutes getting to 4 minutes talking to you guys. Let me turn the camera now and show you what we'll be doing. As you can see, I have some things on the table. I have some here cut down that we've not worked on. So let me turn the camera now. See you guys at the other side. So talking about what I'm doing, I'm making some nice bag. As you guys can see, there are 3 different colors. This one, and this one, and those are the prints. We actually got some new prints. All these are new prints, even though they look familiar, but they are all new prints. So I'm just preparing everything down so it will be easy for me to finish up. And we have some work to still work on here. We have a lot. We restock as well. As you guys can see, we restock everything here. So that's just a little bit I can show you for now, because I have to work, do the rest of the activities, and the shop is still scattered because we have plans. We are doing some things that will benefit all of us in the long run. And here are some ashoke that we restock as well. Everything is full of ashoke from here, but later on I'll be showing you, just as I promised. You might not see time lapse for now, and I might have I might look for the chance to film time lapse for you so you can learn from there as well, because what's the essence of doing it? So that you guys can watch a little bit of things where you lack, you can learn from there. And if you see that what you're learning from here you are not getting it right, that's when you can apply for the training, and we train you. And some people underestimate what we are capable of or what we do because we use domestic machine. It's not all about the machine or the tools you use, it's all about the concept and the brain God has endowed on you for you to be able to create something and teach people. So some people look at us that, oh, they have industrial, we don't have industrial, we use domestic. The essence of creating this channel is to show you guys that you can use this black egg domestic to make any kind of bag, as long as you have the concept and you know what you are doing. And that is why we are here, to help you guys figure out how to do those design, the concept behind it, how to get your way around the machine to produce those unique bag that when you tell people I use domestic to produce this, they will be like, nah, this is produced from a specialized machine. So once you know how to use this black head, there's no machine you come across that you won't be able to use, be it the cylinder bed, be it the skiving machine, be it um the walking foot machine. Any machine you come across you can use. There are a lot of specialized machines that I didn't even get to mention here, but probably in the future we'll be talking more about them, so guys, you guys will get to learn them as well. And I will be showing you some specialized machine in the future. You will get to see that when you are subscribed to the channel and you turn on the post notification. So when we upload that video, you guys will be aware, not that we will get to see it, or you will now be aware after a year, after people have learned and get information from it. And some video we might put it and take it down. So enough talking, guys, let me proceed with my work. I will see you at the continuation of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we really appreciate you. Bye for now. So guys, this is the continuation of the catch up. This is what we've done so far. The progress of the bag I showed you a few days ago. This is it. I went out, I was unable to even do anything again after I showed you the other day, but today we proceed with the rest of the making. So hopefully I should be able to finish this today, but it's getting late. If I finished it, I'm going to show you guys before we start the next job, probably by tomorrow or next day. So that's the update so far. I hope you guys love this particular work and the particular design we have. Actually, it's a tote bag, the one we've made before, the type we've made before. So this is it for you guys. Hope you like and love this. So let me continue with the work. We shall see you at the continuation of the video. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. We are done with the bags we were making a few days ago. As you can see, we even make strap for this one because they specially requested for it. If you remember, since we start making this bag, we never make strap for them. We don't make strap, but we make provision for where you can, if you have a strap, or later on if you order for it, where you can hang it. We make provision for that. We don't produce it with strap. As you guys can see, the bag are looking very lovely. This combination, I'm loving it. You see the way it changes with the reflection. They're in this black. The black one is also looking nice. Then these are purple. So that's it. As you can see, we also have a red strap here. The client bought one of the red and they requested for strap along with this one. So that's just it. So today what we'll be making is I have some order for 3 cap. We make cap as well. If you guys don't know, we produce anything fashion. Even we produce babariga, dansiki, but not here. We have other places where we produce those. So probably in the nearest future, you will be getting to see our plants. That's the reason why I do my own work here, because I just show this place, only me working here. You guys will be wondering that how come we say we have a company, we have production line, and this is just what we have and it's only me. It's not just only me, but you know, I just use this particular place for my own work, and every other thing. So we have cap to make today. Probably if I'm done with the cap, I might just show you a little bit. I won't be showing how to make this cap or any other thing because we are not doing that on this channel. That is just by the way. And I think last night or a few days ago, I make some new design for some bag we need to make again. I don't know if that will be making in this monthly catch up. We need to make this, and I think we need to make this. There's another one I didn't do the design again. Then there's this backpack. There's this lunchbox and backpack. We'll not be making it in this month catch up. That will be next month catch up because we've already talked with the clients that we will not be making it now. So this is a man wallet for, I think, monthly catch up section 10. The one will lose the contents that got corrupted. So this is the diagram for it. I later talk about it and show a little bit of the footage I have left. We edit and render everything, and we even rewatch it. It was okay, but prior to when we are supposed to upload it on the channel, it get corrupted, and we are unable to reverse and recover the footage, and we delete a lot of the footage for that particular month's catch up. So enough talking, guys. Let me continue with the work for today, and we proceed, and I'll keep you guys updated whichever way it goes. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you guys. For those of you who always drop question in the comment section, I really appreciate you. For those of you who are subscribing to the channel every day, you are welcome to the family. And those of you who watch our video without subscribing, now you sabi, when it's time for you, you subscribe. So guys, enough talking. We'll see you at the continuation. So guys, update as promised, we are done with the cap we're making. Actually, we make 3 different caps: the first one, the second one, and the third one, and those are the bags we make there. So I just want to update you on this particular one. I don't know exactly when I'm going to end this update, this monthly catch up, because we still have things to do. But right now I'm going out. I have a meeting I have to attend, so that's just it. But probably I will not be ending it here. So if we continue with the rest of the work today or tomorrow, I will continue with the catch up, then end it and update you guys before we edit and post it. So enough talking. See you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of this month's catch up. So after we delivered the bag we kept here yesterday, those 3 tote bags, we went to the market and do some shopping. Actually, we get some lining, some thread. We have some lining here, some lining and thread, which is the lining we use to produce this cap. So we just make this cap today. This particular brown lining is what we get it many. So that's it there. This is the one we used to use before. This is the new one, and we got those kind of thread we used in making cap. I think 2 sets of it, which comes in 12, so it's 24. It's inside this place, and some hook as well, because the bag we are making now, we need some hook. I actually get some thing from the market yesterday. Even this collar gum stain we use for production of part of the cap. So as you can see, we have few rolls of it. So I say I'm going to show you guys whatever we are up to again. So the bag we are supposed to start, we didn't later start it. We are going to start by next week. So this is the one we make this week. This particular cap, I just decided to show you guys. They are looking very nice. So any of you that love cap, you can place order. You can chat with me from my WhatsApp, which will be in the link in the description. You can get yours. This particular client order for the 3 set, which is this hash, the whites, and the black. These are pure black. The client actually wants pure ash, but there's no pure ash. So when we show in this particular one, he'll really love it and go for this, and it's very nice design, and the finishing is very nice as well. So we normally do the interlock for the inside, the rough edge where we join the top and the body of the cap together. We do the weaving, the interlock, so which is also called the weaving. We did that on our cap, and later on we are going to package it and send it to the client. So guys, enough talking. I think this is where we are going to end this this monthly catch up. Next month you are going to see a lot of things which we have planned to make, like this particular bag, the backpack, the Ashoki backpack, the Ashoki lunchbox, and there's another bag again we're supposed to make, but the design is not here yet. I'm going to make that as well, and this is another bag I made design as well. So don't mind the dates. We always do this thing and keep for you guys so that we can be consistent and post when we are supposed to. So that's just it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, you can use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you have any question regarding our training, online training or physical training, you can apply from anywhere in the world, and our training are full in full details, not just one or two video. We on each design we have up to 5 video, 4 to 5 to 7 video explaining all the aspects of what you need to learn on a particular design you want to apply for, on a particular course or level you want to apply for. Actually, we also, the link will be in the description as well to go straight to the store where you can view part of the thing we are going to teach in the class, in the online class. And from there we have 3 levels. We have the beginning level, we have the intermediate level, and we have the professional level, which is the advanced level. We also have small course there, the minimum course you can apply for, like the YouTube subscriber course we make few months ago to help people out. You can also apply to that. If you check there, you see that the price range are different, so as what you are going to learn or what you are to learn is also different, is differ. So you won't compare the price, as great as the price is, so as the lesson and class are going to be much deeper and much extent. So guys, enough talking. Thank you guys for being here, and I really appreciate you all, and we'll see you in next month's catch up. Thank you guys.